All right, good morning, everybody. Friday morning, races and rods on the road, getting gassed up, getting some food, some chow for the morning. Heading out north, I-75 north, heading to Georgia, Atlanta, and Lowrider show. We'll see you guys soon. Hey, we're here at Bucky's. We got Bucky. Thank you. Hey everybody, how's it going? Jim here, Races and Rods. We're in Atlanta. We're here for Lowrider Super Show Atlanta 2023. We're here early Saturday morning. We got cars loading in, as you can see behind us. Just starting to load in this morning about an hour or so ago. We're here, we're gonna check everything out, get you some shots of the cars. We're gonna be here 2 days. We're here tomorrow. The show is tomorrow. Load-ins today, and stay tuned. How we doing? All right. Where are you from?
Originally from LA, but now living in Georgia.
All right, in Georgia here?
Yes, sir.
All right. How we doing?
Right.
Pretty car. How's it going? Where y'all from?
Florida, man.
You're Florida? Where at?
Central.
Central? All right, yeah, we're down around Tampa.
Oh, okay.
All right, everybody, here we are Sunday morning. We're at Atlanta Lowrider 2023. We're in here early. Everybody's set up. Everybody's ready to go. We've got about a half hour before the gates open. Spectators come in. I'm gonna estimate we've probably got 200 cars or so here. Gorgeous, gorgeous cars. A little bit of everything, a lot of Impalas. Got some Chevrolet pickups here. This is my favorite. I love the bombers, the old bombs. That's cool. So anyway, we're here for a while today. We're gonna get the hop contest. We're gonna get some other people, see what we can find, and we got a bunch of video, bunch of photos from yesterday, and you'll be seeing those soon. Make sure you follow on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, and you're gonna see some cool shit. See you later.